You ready to go get Daddy's truck?
Huh?
You ready to go get down from there? You ready to go get Daddy's truck?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Where's your hat?
I think it's us. I can't see. Wait. I think it's on the stove.
That's what I'm talking about.
Huh?
Because Daddy likes his stove.
But Daddy, take this on my hat. I take this on my hat. Take this on my hat.
I will. Alright, let's go get Daddy's truck.
Okay.